Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Pro, and today we have a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, stock reference number 7434. This shape runs from the 10th month 2012 through to the 7th month 2021. It has an 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. 4J12 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent. Left rear door has two small dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Left tail light. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right power door mirror. And right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, four-wheel drive type, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel.